Yo, what it do, man? Hey, today this gonna be a real simple video, man. Today I'm gonna show you how to make thumbnails without having to pay any money. And it's an easy process, I promise you. Like, I'm not even gonna be the type of person that's gonna talk throughout the whole video. All I ask for you to do is to like, comment, subscribe, join my Patreon community, which is free for all my reactions that don't make it to YouTube. So first thing we're gonna do, well, let me switch my screens right quick, y'all. First thing we're gonna do, open up Canva.
Broke, nigga. Your auntie broke. Your grandma broke. Your brother broke, nigga. You broke.
So as y'all can see, this is where I make all my thumbnails with see how I got the images with no background. How I add these images to the background like that, or something like this. On Canva, you got a lot of free like templates over here on the left side. But me, usually what I do, real simple. If you do reactions, this is for people that do reactions first. Okay, so if you do reactions, whatever video you react to, so I just reacted to Pentatonics, Daft Punk. What I do, go to Google Images, I type in what I just reacted to. Oh Lord, all caps, my bad, y'all. Well, not, let me put the live, cause I did the live version. As you can see, you got a couple of images up here. Most time other YouTubers pop up, but some of these images are some you can use for your thumbnail, such as this one. What you do, right click it, and hit save image as, save it to your computer. Mine usually go to my downloads. So we're gonna go back to Canva. Let me see, which one was this on? Okay, right here, you're gonna go to uploads, upload files, go to downloads, go to the image you just had. You're gonna wait for that to save in the images. Right on, left click it. We're gonna set images background, but before we do that, we gotta trim out these blank spaces because it's not gonna fit. We wanted it the frame that it shows up in as a thumbnail. So now that we got that away, the image's background, it's gonna look blurry right here, but trust the process. But because your thumbnail is not gonna show it this big on the phone, so it's not gonna look blurry when you pull it up on the phone or computer. Your thumbnails don't usually be this big. So as you can see, all these images right here, if you got a phone or you're on a computer, most computers have a screenshot. You can screenshot on them. So if you got a webcam connected to it, I would suggest a webcam or a regular camera. If you got one of those connected, you can pull it up in your on Streamlabs, like I got it set up now, with me in the bottom right corner. So you can either do it like this, full size, and just screenshot yourself, or you can use your phone and take pictures of yourself.
Whoa, brother, whoa, now. You got too much dip on your chip.
You know, set it up on a tripod and just take pictures of yourself. Or, now the most convenient way to come up with a thumbnail is recording a video of yourself and just doing different faces, because you never know what frame you may find that looks good. Instead of having to take a picture by tapping the phone every single time, compared to just setting up the phone and recording the video of yourself and just doing different faces, like smile. You know, I know y'all like that. Mad, shocked. You know, you just record a video of yourself doing faces like that, and then you just screenshot it. And the way you do it on the phone, take the pictures and email them to yourself. You know, go to Google, or if you got an iMac, AirDrop the photos to your computer. So the way I do this, as you can see, I'm gonna just choose the smaller one, because I did all these in the video. The way I got my computer set up now, I did all these in the video, same day. But I make my camera big. I filled the screen up like to about this much, so it would show up a little clear. And I went to zoom in on the image. If you zoom in on this, it's probably gonna make it blurry. But just make your screen bigger. So as I did this, as you can see, I found one I actually like. So guess what I'm gonna do? They got this right here. So if I'm gonna show y'all now. Y'all see right here, I have not paid this, just to prove a point. You do not have to pay for this to use certain features. Even though it got this right here, you still can use this background remover. I'm gonna show y'all a trick. But y'all probably already know. Same thing with CapCut. Take that background off. That's how you do it. But also, let me show y'all a little tweaker. Show y'all a little something. They got more effects up here. So I did a background remover. I probably add like a filter because I don't like, sometimes it be looking like my face to be a little lighter. But they got the shadow effect. You can either do a glow. Let me turn the intensity up so I can see it. Y'all see how I added that? Let me turn it on white so you can see it a little better. Just see how the intensity changes. That's how a lot of people use this to make their thumbnails. But I'm gonna leave the white on there. Because also you can do outline. A lot of people do this also. But you see how I got the white outline around me. You can make it small, darker. Oh my god, you can make it darker or lighter. I'm gonna do darker so you can see it better. You also can increase the size of it, you know, if you don't want the outline to be too big. You see how big the outline can go. You also got this. I never use this one, be real. I don't even know if I want to use that one. I typically use glow, so that's the best one. Increase the intensity. You just size it to how you want it on the background. Now it looks blurry right here, but it's not once you look at it as a thumbnail, because I can already see as I'm looking at the video on my other screen, it doesn't look that blurry. So another thing you can do if you want to add any text, you can come over here. They got free fonts. Even if you have to pay for these, I'm going to show y'all at the end. I'm just going to tap that just to put it up here. So if you don't want to pay for this, but I don't want to give away this because they probably going to find a way to make you have to. I can't tell y'all, I'm sorry. If you know, you know what I was just trying to say. If you know. You don't want to pay, you know. I don't want them to take this feature away because then they may start putting watermark images on here. But if you know, you know. I might have to come up with like a Morse code, so yeah, you know, I can tell y'all, but I cannot say it on this video because I know these apps and softwares want their money. But if you know, you know. I told y'all earlier how y'all can screenshot your picture and put it up here. You can screenshot it and post your picture up here and take the background out. You know, just simple stuff like that. This is how you make a thumbnail. This, if y'all want me to show you how to do anything else relating to anything with reaction videos, let me know. I'll try to make a video about it. You know, this is something I want to start because I'm still an up and coming YouTuber. I just want to show everybody else how to do the same thing. So I'm not trying to make these videos too long. I just want to show you how to do the typical things people struggle with. Like this thumbnail was just done. It can be done in less than a minute if you like that. Like usually when I do my thumbnail, it don't take no more than a minute. I already know how I want my thumbnail set up. I want the background removed, I want a glow and an image from whatever I just reacted to. Now sometimes I take more time editing thumbnails if I want to. But if I'm just trying to get my content out, thumbnails usually are the part that takes the longest to do for my videos. So that's why I typically do the same format for most of my thumbnails, because I know my content good. So with that being said, man, y'all a little bit influenced. If y'all need any more tips on how to do reaction related stuff, or if y'all need help setting up your Streamlabs or OBS, y'all let me know and I will help you out. Also, I can give y'all my settings for how I got this set up. But I usually go to Canva for my thumbnails. If I want to edit my videos, like add effects or anything, I go to CapCut. And I'm also show y'all how I edit on CapCut, because I do it on both phone and the computer, depending on what I'm doing. So y'all just tap in, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tap into the Patreon, because I'm trying to build a community over there. I will start reacting to more shows and movies, because I don't watch TV. So this is for people who want to tap into other content. We'll start doing movie and show reactions. With that being said, man, y'all love and influence. Y'all have a good one. Hey, we out.